PIC's never stop improving philosophy. That is what we believe in. There's always opportunities to improve. Hello, I'm Iain Harris. I'm representing Fine Swine today. I've been working for Fine Swine for 19 years near South Charleston, Ohio, and I've been working with PIC females for 26 years. We realized that our pre-wean mortality was higher than it really should be, and recognized the fact that one of the contributing factors to that was poor colostrum intake. So Kendall Weger came out and did a training session with all of our leaders from the different farms.
I'm Kendall Weger. I'm part of the Technical Services reproduction team for North America, and I've been with PIC for almost 8 years. Day one pig care really refers to the process around farrowing. Specifically, day one pig care would relate to the day that the piglet's born. And that's what we really focused on with Fine Swine. Our main goal was focusing on colostrum intake to ensure the survivability of the pig and to make sure that we're having a better quality wean pig at the end of that. Some of the things that we really focused on was labor allocation, priorities. What's the first thing that we need to do every day? What needs to happen in the first few hours of the day? And what can wait? We did a little bit of classroom training in the office to kind of discuss the process and the steps. And then from then on, we just spent a couple of days practicing together. And I think that's really, really critical, is that we all get in there, we're hands-on, we're working together, we're asking questions. As problems come up, we sort through them.
And we took that knowledge back and implemented the protocols that Kendall recommended. So some of our farms have reduced their pre-wean mortality down to the 12-13% range, but not only a reduction in pre-wean mortality, also an improvement in piglet quality.
When we start working on day one pig care, that's a really nice short-term goal where we can see results pretty quickly, right? Within a few weeks, those piglets are weaning and we can really see, the fruits of our labor.
Kendall's very aggressive, connects well with the teams, tries to understand their challenges, listens to them, but then she also makes sure that the teams understand what they need to do to improve their performance. I can't understand why anybody would not want to work with the PIC support staff. The PIC people are very good at understanding where we're trying to go, what is our end goal, and they're committed to helping us reach those goals.
We're fully committed to supporting our customers by providing the best genetics along with the best technical services to really reach that full genetic potential and help our customers become the best pig producers in the world.